Are you looking to get the most out of the open source stratosphere that is QGIS? Let us take you on a GIS journey that will guide you each step of the way. Our one-day introduction to QGIS online training course involves practical exercises and peer group discussions, covering a range of topic areas, which include basic application layout, adding various data sources to QGIS, performing basic spatial tasks, editing spatial data, simple and rule-based styling and labeling, as well as creating map outputs. So how have the outcomes of the course benefited participants in the day-to-day working environment? The in-depth demonstration of all the tools and overall personalized experience, as well as the detailed information included in the provided manual, were especially useful, said one of our participants. Most agree that the custom approach taken to each of our courses deliver the greatest value for money, as they're able to apply learnings to achieve desired project outcomes. If you have any questions about the program, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. For more information or to book a session, visit gisjourney.com.au. We look forward to seeing you at an upcoming session on your very own GIS journey.